Aspee Fogger. This is the petrol tank. To refill the fuel, I have to open this. This funnel is given along with this machine. I have to insert the funnel and you have to refill the petrol. After refueling the petrol, this knob must be closed, and this is the capacity of the petrol tank. So maximum limit is 1.5 liter, and that limit should be in between 1 liter and 1.5 liter. And this is the chemical tank, diesel and chemical mix tank. To refill the diesel and chemical, I have to open this knob here. Open this knob. Use the funnel and refill the tank. The capacity of the chemical tank is 5 liters. Please maintain between 4 and 5 liters. Once the chemical and diesel mixture is refueled, I have to close this knob tightly. This is the fog control. Before starting the machine, make sure the fog control is completely off. And this is the pressure relief valve. Before start, I have to press this. And at the time of starting the machine, all you have to do, there is a switch here. Actually the switch right now is in up position. So up position means the machine start with the air compressor. There is an air compressor which is inbuilt in the machine, and the down indicates start with hand pump. And this is the toggle switch. You can toggle between up and down. Up indicates the machine starts with compressor. Actually there is a compressor which is built inside, and you have to make sure it is in up position, and all you have to do is you press this button. While pressing this button, the compressor start running, and the compressor give the enough pressure to that fuel tank as well as the chemical tank, and the machine will start combusting. And there is another option which is called start with manual hand pump. At the time, all you have to do is you have to toggle the switch down position. Down position indicates that it starts with hand pump, and while you are starting with the hand pump, all you have to do is you have to remove this connector. You have to remove this connector and insert the connector over the top. This is the manual hand pump output. After installing this, make sure it is the toggle switch in manual position, and the air valve which is connected to the hand pump output, and just rotate. This is the hand pump. All you have to do is pull it and push. If you keep pushing this, there is enough pressure which is created to start the machine. This is the power adapter, and the power cord is given along with the machine. Using the power adapter to charge the battery. The battery is used here is to just run the compressor. time of start, after if the machine is running na, at the time if you hit start, make sure the two things, and make sure that the fog is in off position, and press the start button here. And once the machine is running, after 1 or 2 minutes, you have to slowly release the knob towards anti-clockwise direction to switch on this chemical tank. The chemical tank output is directly connected to the exhaust valve of the machine, and the fog will be coming out of this thing. Have to keep the machine maximum at 0 to 5 degree angle. You have to do, make sure that toggle switch is in up position, and then press the start. ஸ்டார்ட் மட்டும் பண்ணுங்க. சரியா? ம்.